Bentonville, Arkansas is known by many as the mountain biking capital of the world, and the amount of trails and variety of riding they have in and out of this small town are definitely impressive. You will have no trouble finding rentals or repair shops scattered around town. I ended up needing one right away and was in and out in about an hour. The trails can be ridden pretty much year-round with over 70 miles of trails that are completely free to the public. This leaves riders with plenty of area to spread out and not get too crowded. I visited in the fall, so you're more likely to see some trail closures, leaves on the ground, and possibly some rain, but it's still great temperature-wise. The terrain in northwest Arkansas has some steep and short inclines and declines, and some areas can have extremely rocky and bumpy terrain. Some trail areas I would recommend are Kohler Mountain Bike Preserve, which also had an awesome private campground, and the other would be Slaughter Pen near one of the coolest art museums in the nation at Crystal Bridges. Walmart was started in Bentonville, so the city has done well for itself. It has very nice facilities and the trails are very well maintained. I'm a pretty mediocre mountain bike rider, but there were trails that were for everyone. So I had no trouble finding some challenging trails that still fit my speed. I'll let my squeaking brakes take over the commentary and just show what the trails look like. Hopefully this video gives you a good idea of what you could expect the trails to be like. I hope to come back in the future, and there are some trails I plan to try out, but drop some of your favorite trails or areas in the comments for viewers and myself to check out.